You know when I dozed off, I just woke up.
You look like someone that has seen a ghost.
I'm fine, I just woke up. Are you going anywhere?
No, I was actually looking for you. We need to talk.
Listen, Victoria, if it's about the crown, I'm not ready to talk about that.
Ifeanyi, why not tell us why you're rejecting the crown?
I just told you that if this is about the crown, I will not talk about it. Not now, not tomorrow, not ever.
But Father prepared you for this. At least why don't you just tell us why you will not take the crown? Let us.
The ways of the gods are wise. But you may not understand. Eboyoko kamwobodo na kundisindi obodo. Okay, no song we're no son.
And what could be bothering you, my queen?
My love, you back already?
Why are you sitting here all alone? What could be bothering you?
My love, why do you want to be king?
My queen, it wasn't my decision to be king. Prince Ifeanyi allows me to take the crown. Wait, my darling. Don't tell me you've occupied your thoughts with the thought.
Oh yes, I have already. Since Sandra wouldn't allow me rest in this compound. She practically believes we're a stumbling block to their ascending the throne.
Sandra? She said this to you?
No, my love. Calm down. Where are you going to? Sit first. Listen, I didn't tell you to go confront her. Okay? By all means, you have to reject the crown. It's for our own good. Please, my love, you have to. Please. Can you please get him another glass of juice, please?
When you have the urge to take what is not yours, just stay away and know that yours is on the way. Everything that works for a purpose. There's no need to reconstruct your destiny. Iyana chunike na nanike. Oh, Egana chunike na nanike. Tunike na nanike. Oh, Ochicha na tunike na nanike. Oh, selfish desire. On the bunike no bother.
Sandra, where have you been? You left the house rather too early. Is everything all right?
Everything is perfectly fine, Your Majesty.
I see. Take a walk with me.
Selfish desires cost more harm than good in life. Selfish desires.
You cannot possibly ask me to do that. For in truth, I know full well that some couple of persons in this palace have been pressurizing my husband to cede the crown to James. But I am sticking with him.
Sandra, you know quite well that your opinion does not count in this Amekulu kingdom. Therefore, don't cause trouble. Because I still value the peace and tranquility I enjoy in this palace.
Then advise your son. Advise James to stay away from the crown. Because you don't expect me to sit back and watch you people take what rightfully belongs to my husband. It will not happen.
Sandra, but nobody's pressurizing him to do anything.
But your body language says otherwise. Queen Mother, it does. The truth is that my husband is going to be the king of this kingdom, and that's final.
Sandra! You cannot make decisions for my son. He is a full-fledged man who knows his left from his right. Therefore, he has the prerogative to either take the throne or cede it to his brother. Excuse me.
I cannot be alive and watch our dynasty come to an end. Father will be so disappointed wherever he is. I won't let that happen. The kingship of Amekulu Kingdom is our heritage. And so it must be.
You are all welcome to this all-important meeting. The essence of this meeting is for us to decide who finally becomes the next king of Amekulu Kingdom. Persify.
Oh no.
According to our tradition, with respect to kingship, when the king dies, the eldest son takes over from him as king. Is it not so?
Yes. You are in order. Oh no.
Now, are you telling us that you are rejecting the crown?
Yes or no, I do not want the crown. And I don't know why I am being pressured to take up kingship.
Be careful. Be careful, my prince. What you wish for is an abomination for a crown prince to sit the throne while he's still alive, hale and healthy.
What is an abomination, Dikeh? Presidents and governors resign when they are done or when they don't want to be on seat. And nobody does anything about it. There's always room for substitution. Okay, what if I was dead or incapacitated? Wouldn't you all look for someone else to take up kingship?
Ifeanyi, you're healthy and strong. Why are you trying to dodge your responsibility?
I am not dodging my responsibility.
You are my prince. I remember your father placed so much confidence in you and proudly reminds us of a worthy king that you are going to be in the future. So why?
Ifeanyi, the future is now. Please do not turn down the crown. People would think otherwise.
My elders, I reiterate my position that I do not want to be king.
Abomination.
Nonetheless, I am willing to offer my full support to whosoever wants to take up kingship. That's my final word on this.
I am ready to take the crown.
James,
Ifeanyi did not believe the story you told me. I cannot be alive and watch the kingship move to another family. Dikeh, I am ready, body and soul, to succeed my father.
James!
Well, my elders, now that he has agreed to bail us out, we have to commence the ritual.
Of course.
Agree with me?
Yes or no?
Thank you, my son. It is time for us to fulfill the requirements of our customs and traditions. We were all witnesses to the fact that Prince Ifeanyi Akajofo decided to cede the crown to his younger brother, Prince James. Yes. Am I correct?
Yes.
Good. Now it is time for Prince Ifeanyi to formally hand over the offer to his younger brother James, in line with our custom of ceding the crown. Prince Ifeanyi.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, I'm sure. The main thing is that the Akajofo dynasty must be maintained. I want to thank all of you for the confidence you repose in me. I look forward to your guide and advice.
My princess.
You go in the making.
Hi, I'm gonna bro this is man. She did the She again
Good afternoon, my dear. Good afternoon, my queen.
Are you mad?
Yeah.
What is wrong with you? Why are you such in a hurry? What seems to be the problem?
My queen, I just want to go and rush and give the queen a very good news.
And what is that, if I may ask?
Please, there is no time for me. Let me just rush and give her this good news.
Is something wrong with you? You seem to have forgotten who is standing right in front of you.
I have not forgotten. I have not forgotten. See.
I don't know why you are trying to pour your anger on me, because I just want to go and give the queen 8 o'clock news.
I asked a question and I demand an answer affirm.
Please, you will not like this good news. It might be good news for all of us, but to you, it might be a bad news. Allow me to go and give this news.
I command you to speak! Stop being a clown!
My queen, Prince James has just been confirmed as the prince of Amebulu Kingdom. He has accepted to be the king. So I am rushing to give the queen the good news. Gang, 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 gang. Is that not the good news? I'm coming.
Don't live a selfish life. Don't say I didn't warn you. Makibankwa Mbera bera go riri iti aka na eburu gị n'isi kedu kenye nọzi n'ụlọ ewe
A green snake will always hide beside the green grass. Finally, your lobbying has paved way for you. You have now been confirmed king, right?
Excuse me.
You are well excused.
What are you insinuating?
I am not insinuating anything. I am just waiting patiently to look into the face of that tricky brother who has finally succeeded in taking what rightfully belongs to his own brother.
Yeah, Sandra. I don't know how has been feeding you those trash in your brain. But I want you to understand that my brother gave me his support to be king.
Oh, please tell that to the birds. You think I don't know the truth? I know everything. You and that useless thing you call a wife charmed my beloved husband in order to give up the crown for you, right?
Silence!
You cannot silence me. I am not your subject. Stupid.
And what is this?
Water. Good water.
I know it's water. What is it meant for?
See, my princess, I saw the way you have been angry since they declared Prince James to be the king. In fact, the kind of hotness inside you will even make God to think if he should change his location of hellfire and bring it to you. So I decided to bring this cold water. See what that drew you.
Afam, have you lost your sanity?
If I've lost my sanity, I will not remember to bring cold water when you are very, very angry. You like it, man?
You are very stupid. And get out of my sight. Get out! What impudence!
You see, my darling, the God knows who the crown fits. Though I know the burden that comes wearing this crown, I know I'm going to be a very good king, and my people will love me. My love, why are you silent? Aren't you happy you're going to be the next queen?
Baby, let me be honest with you. I really do not know how I feel about this whole thing. Okay? Sandra is beginning to behave in a creepy way. Like, there is something about her. I think she's very desperate.
Oh, you know what, my darling? She's not important. Don't worry about her. The only support I need is from you, my love. And that of my brother and my mother. She's not important. You know what? You just have to go and get yourself prepared because the coronation committee will be here anytime soon.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So, would you want me to ask the cook to prepare some dish?
Oh, That's so sweet, my love. Thank you. Come here. I love you.
I love you too. Alright, I'll be right back.
Alright, baby. I can't wait to be king. I can't wait to rule this kingdom. I know my people will love me and respect me.
Oh no. I think we have a problem at hand. How do we handle entertainment? Because people coming from far and near must be entertained.
Oh yes, but that is the women's responsibility. And in fact, no, did you finally get in touch with the women leader yesterday? For there is no time again for us. We have barely few days to the coronation.
Oh yes. As a matter of fact, she was here this morning. And from our discussion, she knows exactly what to do. But my only worry is that some of our kindreds, they are yet to redeem their pledges. So that is my worry.
We have nothing to worry about. We make use of our resources at hand. The main thing is to crown our king, and we move forward.
I think you have a point. Let's make use of it.
See, don't worry. I know that very well. When I become the king in future, I will choose from 3 of you who will be my wife.
Concentrate for once. Here guys are your attires for the big day, the coronation day. You are expected to wear them on that special day. Did you get me? Yes, Your Majesty. Okay. So, you... Thank you. Thank you, Princess. Okay.
I suggest you all go inside and try them out first, in case if there's any amendments.
You can now go.
My lady, the late king said that I should always wear jumper and trouser to differentiate me from ordinary palace lady and ordinary palace guard.
Hello.
You heard what Victoria said, didn't you? Go inside and do as she said. Not here. Later, in your room. Okay guys, you heard me right. You're expected to wear these on this special day. Okay?
Okay, Princess.
Yes. So you can go now.
Thank you, my princess.
Please, my princess, if I should just suggest, I don't actually like this color. I am going to move here the colors so that I can tie it and I will.
Can this young man for once do the right thing? What the hell is wrong with you?
So we'll just try to regularize it. So that we don't have to James! James! What is it?
Save me.
What is wrong, James? James! Are you okay? Get! Hey! No! James!
What is it again?
I had another frightening nightmare. And this time it was so real.
You had another frightening nightmare. That is why you will not allow me to sleep this night.
Is that all you have to say?
What else do you want me to say? It is just a nightmare. You don't have to brood over it. Please, allow me sleep.
It's not yet been crowned. Please. People are waiting us at the field. Okay?
Selfish desire, selfish desire, selfish desire, selfish desire.
In fact, all na-aga mma mma. Small time, I get you. They just asked me to go and convince James so that they can crown him.
When you have the urge to take what is not yours, just stay away and know that yours is on the way. Everything that works for a purpose. There's no need to reconstruct your destiny. Iyana chunike na nanike. Oh, egana chunike.
Finally, the time has come for us to make history in Amekuru Kingdom.
Yes.
Today, we are going to crown our new king. May I call on our heir, the crowned prince, to ascend the throne.
The urge to take what is not yours, just stay away and know that yours is on the way. Everything that works for a purpose. There's no need to reconstruct your destiny. Iyana chunike na nanike. Oh, egana chunike na nanike. Oh, mana chunike na nanike. Oh, ochicha na chunike na nanike. Selfish desire, on the bunike nobada. Selfish desire, cost more harm than good in life.
Now, it is time for us to crown our new king. By the powers bestowed on me as you know of Amekuru Kingdom, I hereby crown our new king, King James Akajo for the throne.
James! Commissioner, you are the fed already? With your wife? Wow! That's so nice. Yes. We'll soon be there. They'll soon be done with his crowning. Yes, and we'll be on our way. Yes, finally. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll get back to you. Bye.
What's wrong with you? What's up there all the time? What is it? Prince James.
Has he been crowned?
Yes, he has been crowned.
Yes, why are you behaving like that?
And he's dead.
What do you mean?
This is unbelievable. In the history of Ameko Kingdom, something like this has never happened.
No!
Easy, take it easy.
Don't talk to me! Don't talk to me! You killed me.
Eh?
You and your evil wife have succeeded in killing my husband. Yes!
How can you accuse me of killing my own blood? How can you say things like that?
You killed him! What did you? You killed him. You killed him into taking your evil. My husband, kill me now! No! You people should kill me too! Just hold on, please! You people should kill me! No! Bring back the ball! Bring back the ball! What's all this?
Alpha, it's okay. The gods know why it happened.
That means the gods are very wicked. They are very wicked. Why did they choose to kill such an innocent and peaceful man? Why there are other stupid people in this community that they are supposed to kill? Why didn't they kill all of them?
No one is wicked. The gods are not wicked. They know the best.
They tried to hold a cry. They pushed me from heart. I get soft heart. That's when you kill Oga James. Why not come kill me? At least if I kill you or kill one of the maiden, then live a while. Peaceful praise. Hello, Melu. Hello, Melu. Hello, Melu.
Alright. Let me return your food to the refrigerator. Since you are still not.
I didn't hear you well.
I mean, we are still mourning. Let me return your food.
How? I don't understand. Is it an Hausa man that died that you just bury the person and drink kuna and go? You don't know this side. When someone dies, that is when you will bring goat, you bring cow, bring rice. Then you call people that will cook. They will cook it. People will eat and have strength to mourn. Don't you know that? Am I the person that killed Prince James? Do you see blood in my hands or in my eyes? Am I a murderer? You don't know this is the perfect time that I'm supposed to eat so that I will have strength to cry for the dead.
Okay, let me go and bring it.
Please, hold on, so that you know go there and bring what is not good for the mourner, for the monist, for the monastery. See, I don't like starch. You see, I have body, so I'll prefer something that. Bring apple. Don't bring too much. 5 pieces is okay. Then I want onubu. Don't use onubu anambra. Store. Calm down. Let me explain it for you. Use the very onubu. Then put it small obono. Don't put it on my own. You normally draw where. Use unsoka obono and cook it. We shake on weekend one noko. Please don't put pomo. Kanda is far better for me.
But you say you don't want starch, right? Because you are fat. But apple is also starch.
Then I prefer pounded yam and garri.
So far better for me. Pounded yam, protein, gari, nutritious, apple, glass of food. I don't trust this Haitian.
Which way forward for our kingdom?
What is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me. All I'm trying to do is to protect that which belongs to my husband. I mean, you don't expect me to keep calm while they take something that rightfully belongs to us. It's not done.
Sandra, why are you this ambitious? Why are you so obsessed with becoming queen or me becoming king? I have been inundated with stories about how you almost fought Lizzie and my late brother because of this same crown.
Lizzie is desperate.
You are the one who is desperate! And you make everybody think I'm in support of your shenanigans. I should have just sent you away to London when I had the opportunity so we can have peace in this house.
What is wrong with you? What will I ever do in this life to please you? What? I mean, this is a very great opportunity for you to become a first-class king. Meeting with top government functionaries. Even helping our family's business. But here you are saying all sorts. What is wrong with you? Huh?
You know what, Sandra? You are pathetic.
Wait, my friend. Did he say that to you?
Yes. And so many unprintable words directly to my face. All because of Lizzie.
Wow. This is serious though.
Very serious. My dear, you needed to have seen the way my husband stood up and was protecting this woman and her late husband. I mean, I don't know what is wrong with him. I don't know why he has refused to understand that he is the one to be crowned the king after his father.
But, see, Sandra, okay, see, I think he needs to be heard. Because I see no reason why he'll be rejecting the crown. Have you kept listening to what he has to say?
Joanne, I will not listen to such stupidity. Because it is only someone who has lost his mind that will think towards that direction. What are you saying? He wants to ruin my chances of becoming the queen of Amekulu Kingdom. It will never happen. Not on my life. I must be the queen.
Take it easy. Take it easy, please.
What's all this?
Serious.
My husband wants to take away the honey. The honey I already have. It's only a madman that rejects the throne.
Sandra, it's okay. Okay? Just boy. Take it easy.
It's too much now.
My elders, I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry for the delay.
No.
Yes. Let us proceed.
No. We have been saying Prince Ifeanyi killed his brother. Let the dynasty leave his family and move to another family.
That's correct. Look, we do not want a king whose hands are stained in blood. Stop.
It's all right. I want to ask all of you a question. Who amongst you can testify that he saw Prince Ifeanyi kill his brother?
No.
Yes.
I heard he threatened his brother. It is enough evidence.
Okay.
Oh no, we do not have any evidence against him at all. We have grown past hearsay. He never had problem with his brother.
Our king died. Oh. What are we going to do now? Prince Ifeanyi was not supposed to sit that crown. It is not the will of the gods that Prince James will wear that crown.
You are very correct, my elders. The most important thing now is for us to get a king to sit on that throne. Because time is of essence here. Alright? I think it's time we forced Prince Ifeanyi to ascend that throne. Yeah, because this is fate at work here.
Oh no, you have just said the truth.
Good. So we are all in agreement, right?
Thank God. Madam, please, can you ferry me across the river? Hello?
Another dream, I presume?
Yes. This is becoming disturbing. I don't know why I keep having the same dream all the time.
Do not worry yourself, my beloved husband. Once the crown is laid on your head, everything will be over. Okay?
Do you think so?
Of course I know so. Listen. You are the head that fits the crown. The only one blessed by the gods of this great land. Do not try to fight the gods by looking for a substitute. Okay? I'll see you later.
The ways of the gods are wise, but you may not understand. Eboyoko kamwo obodo na kunisi ndi obodo. Oke n'ọsọ nwere n'ọsọ n'ụwa. Onye mazi ka mmiri si webe n'opi ụgbọgịrị. Egbu na-atụ m.
Have you forgotten our appointment with event planner?
What event planner?
My goodness! How could you have forgotten that the coronation is in few days? How? I'm so sorry. I understand everything. But you know, life has to go on. Everybody must surely die someday. But your father's legacy must continue. You know.
You're correct. I would rather you go alone and let me know how it went.
Well, your choice. I would, then I'll let you know.
Selfish desire. Selfish desire. Selfish desire. Don't live a selfish life. Don't say I didn't warn you. Makibankwa vera go riri. Itiaka na eburugi nisi. Kedo kenye nozi nuno ewe muoma neriri. Sepake we no fe makiyo pa kamado. Selfish desire, selfish desire. Selfish desire.
What What is good about today?
Everything. Everything is good though. At least we woke up today. No problem. No stomach problem. No headache. It's a good thing to praise the Lord. Do you want to go out?
And what business of yours is it? Please, can I have my car keys? Hey, where are you going? I said my car keys.
Come on, Etta, don't worry. I washed the car both in and out. You will like it.
I do not have your time this morning. Like I said, my keys, please. I want to drive myself.
Unless you just want to sack me from my work, because my work is to take care of...
I hope you do not want me to fall out with you.
For where?
My keys. Then open the gate. The gate.
The gate.
I said you open the gate.
You have heard from the horse's mouth. You open the gate. Move.
Shut my door.
Oh. Be fast. Open it very wide open. Open it so that he will leave. Open the door, not you got now. I will help you.
Where are you going to? You are not supposed to leave this place.
Why? Am I now restricted from leaving the palace?
No. We don't want you to stress yourself during this period of mourning.
Oh, how nice. Very considerate and wonderful. Thank you.
No. That is not what I meant. We don't want you to fall into depression. We don't need you stressed.
Okay, right now everyone thinks I'm the mad person. No, I'm now insane, right?
No, Lizzie.
Wait. I need to get it right. I've now been relegated to my chambers, never to be seen outside. Is that it?
No.
Is that it?
No, just calm down. You are misunderstanding the whole situation. Please.
Thank you for your concern, but I'm not handicapped. Excuse me.
Thou ways of the gods are wise, but you may not understand. Egwo yeko kamu obodo na kunisi ndi obodo. Oke no somewhere no sonwa. Onye mazi kambiri siweba no biribogiri. Ebu na tumo.
It's really not easy, but it takes hard work to silence all your enemies.
Yes, that's true.
And from today henceforth, I shall be addressed as Queen Sandra Akajiofo, one of Amekulu Kingdom.
Oh my God! Okay, noted, my queen.
Yes.
Noted, Her Majesty.
Yeah.
Queen Sandra
Akajiofo.
Okay, Queen Sandra Akajiofo, one. Hey, my friend! Oh my God! If it's you. Okay, meanwhile, what we discussed about, have you told your husband?
Told my husband? Oh, about the catering, right?
Yes, now.
You know, the thing is, there are some committees in charge of each department. Well, as my very good friend, do not worry yourself. I
My queen.
Yeah.
My queen.
You know.
My queen.
I'll cut your
Her Majesty. One.
That's it.
I trust you.
Let's celebrate.
Oh my God, let's celebrate.
Yeah. Oh my God. Life is sweet.
What? What do you mean by that?
You heard me.
My son, I thought you had accepted to ascend the throne. Yes!
And I have rejected the throne here.
Oh, no, listen to me, baby. Do not do this to me. Don't. Please, let's go.
Do what to you? Are you the one wearing the crown?
Let's go!
I said I am not going again.
Like why?
Because I have rejected the crown here and now.
Oh my goodness.
Mom, I will not do it for you.
My prince.